There's a vivid show happening tonight. It'll be my time to shine.
Vivid Light Festival in Sydney Harbour.
Robin, can you please gather all our friends to patrol tonight's Vivid Festival?
Sure, I will gather them all.
Thanks again for coming. I got a signal that Joker will be around to do some damage tonight.
Bruce, we are happy to help.
We'll make sure the event goes well tonight.
Let's do it!
We're going to the Vivid Festival on foot. This is so cool. I think it's so bright and so festive. I like these images. They look like my drawings. This egg-shaped statue looks so cute.
Everything looks perfect here. No Joker around this area.
Same here.
The coast is clear.
Same here too.
Boss, all clear.
We should move on to another area.
Okay, Bruce.
Let's go. Look there. You can see all the vivid lights and stuff. It's so good. Guys, look. We're going under the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Yay! We're under the Harbour Bridge. Look, there's cool images on it. It's very colorful and bright as well. I'm having a wonderful party here. Such a nice boat.
I find my target here in Little Tit. Watch out for me.
Stop there. I won't let you harm anyone.
Then I'll fight you first.
Hold on, you have to fight us first.
Ah! Oh no, too many of them. I better run.
Well done, everyone. At least Joker is gone. But hold on. Where's Nightwing and Batgirl?
I have no clue. I will go find them.
Look at the light. It's beautiful.
I know. The view looks amazing up here.
I enjoyed the night so much.
Me too. What a great night.
We are in Darling Harbour. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe us.